Guys, எனக்கு ரொம்ப தூக்கம் வருது. மணி என்னன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 1:30 in the morning. I mean, in the afternoon, some shit. So yeah, I feel sleepy. So நால கொஞ்சம் conceptual stuffs பார்க்க போகிறேன். I don't really like have anything planned to like look into, if I'm being honest. First thing, I need to get a book. I need to write things down as I do it, and yeah, it's gonna be a wide range of things from NLP, natural language processing, to deep learning and some mathematics in between. Whatever interests me, basically. That's gonna be the stream. I'm gonna be making some stupid jokes along the way. This is my mathematics book. Bro, I need like so many books to like keep up with all of the stuff that I want to do. But fuck, it is what it is. I'm just going to use a A4 sheet and write my ideas down and put that shit in the garbage. Okay, let's just look into. Yeah, I just want to get entertained for the entire video. Make some stupid little goy jokes. You're a goyim, mate. Okay, let's actually like in the இளமையான ஒரு பெண்மணியை நான் பார்த்தேன். She's actually older than me. So let's just like get into the video. Why not? She's actually like smarter than me. I want to do what she's doing right now, but like I'm learning from her. So it's like I have no credibility whatsoever. What's the most popular video? Start your data science career, but who is she? Who are you, ma'am? Understanding. Oh, she has a LinkedIn. Fuck. Okay, like I've got a new match. I guess. Fuck. I'm gonna do a ML model on dating too. That's gonna be. I need to write that shit down. I wrote BFF to CTR. Okay. let's say எத்தனை பேர் fuck Mm. So Peter Levels did this shit. Okay, this could be all like one guy or AI, right? Backend and DevOps is like the difficult stuff. AI engineering, it's difficult. User flow and debugs, reliability, QA tester. I might need a marketing. Obviously, I need one. DevOps engineer, already okay. Can I can I do it solo? Question mark. Fuck yeah. Yeah, why not? Not saying why not, nigga. Why not, nigga? I think he did train his own model. So yeah. It is fun collecting all the data and making something of it. Pretty fun. I'm throwing so many shit on the wall and see what sticks. I couldn't find any public. That's why I have to do. Fuck. Okay, let's just. But I'm gonna wipe code something. Fuck. Open up Cloud right now. I don't give a fuck, bro. Fuck. Cloud AI. Oh, shut up. I'm in cursor. I can spell cursor. Fuck. You know what? Bro, how do you cursor? Finally. Download. Vibe coding is good, but man, it's gonna take some time. I don't want to be a vibe coder, honestly. It's fucking retarded. Just, yeah. Is vibe coding bad? Probably not. Vibe coding is like the truest expression. Low-key. Why didn't I download this earlier? Why did I try to like do everything by myself? Why? What's the glory in that? What am I trying to accomplish by doing it by myself? You know, it's yeah. Just ask AI to like code. Fuck. Front end. So much. Peter Levels. I gotta look him up. That's the guy, right? That's the Peter Levels. God, just sign in. Don't. For fuck's sake, bro. I'm not installing Twitter. No thanks. I want my sanity. Bro, just it's an AI app. He made an AI app and he makes like so much money out of it. It's crazy. So he makes around like $200,000. It's not a lot, but he's not like really working. I need to get famous, man. I need to get fucking famous. Fuck. How do I do it? The Cluey guy got famous, but how do I do it? I need to like help people. Fuck. That's difficult. That's actually difficult. Helping people is actually difficult through internet. How the fuck am I supposed to help people? That's difficult. It's gonna take decades of my life. Fuck. Oh, a month. He makes $1 million a year. More than that actually. He makes like 300,000 a month. Fucking hell, bro. That's 3 million in a year. Fucking kidding me? 3 million a year. How the fuck do you do that? Bro. Fire your photographer. Create an AI model, brother. Let's see. Let's see what it can do. How am I gonna make it? Do I need to learn how to edit videos? Peter Levels. I mean, he had like news coverage and shit like that. I can't believe I'm gonna be one of these idiots in Twitter, man. Fuck, is that what it takes? Nope. Free. That's a free model. Free. The website looks awful, objectively speaking. Don't even like if he's not famous, no one would even like consider it. Lucky. It's £100 a month. You get no fuck. For £100 a month, what do you get? You can get shit like this, bro. What's the difference? It's literally like, yeah, it's literally like OpenAI underneath it. Like, what's the difference? And he makes. How the fuck? Oh fuck. You're a sucker if you buy into it. You're an actual sucker. How the bro? That means. That's crazy. That means 1400 people bought into it for like a month, right? That's what it means. 4,000. No. Yeah, like 1,400 people bought into it. Bro, what the fuck? How? Who's paying me that much money? In India, who's paying me that much money? Literally, like no one. People like don't even spend money on like. Bro, it's impossible. That's so much to ask. £60 is so much to ask. Yeah. I mean, JK Tamil. I need to be like this guy famous to £3 a month, man. It's just like not that much. £3 a month, £4, whatever. How much the lowest tier costs here? I'm pretty sure you have to like give some shit to like YouTube and stuff. Ugh, so retarded. So backwards, so non-progressive. What am I looking at? Nomad's List. Ken, that's decent money. Bro, it's the same. What the? It's literally the same thing. Oh my god. Okay, you just like fine-tuned it. Oh my god. Why would you even need it? Like, who needs it? I can do this. Fuck, I can do this. I can do this. I can definitely do this, man. Load that shit up. None of these VS Code bullshit anymore. None of these VS Code bullshit. Yeah, I didn't. Oh, fuck. I forgot I was. That's gonna look so retarded. Hopefully, no one catches up to it. It's forgotten, hopefully. Hopefully. Bro, PewDiePie is like making bank playing video games. Isn't that crazy? This nerd, this Swedish nerd, is making bank. Let's open this one up. Bro, I don't know. I'll figure it out. I genuinely don't know, but I'll figure it out. That's my mindset with everything. I genuinely have no clue, but I'll figure it out. I think this is the latest. Let's open it. Bro, what? What is this? Get out of my telly now. Put that shit in here. My app. Is that it? Yeah, that app was retarded anyway. So why am I trying to like? Why? I'm wipe coding. I can't believe it. Fuck. I can't believe I'm wipe coding. This is like pathetic. This is pathetic in so many different ways. Okay. Yo, time to wipe code, my niggas. Terminal. New terminal. I wanna kill you. Expose start. I forgot what it is. Oh, NXP expose start. Yeah, of course. Do I need CD? Unless. What the fuck am I looking at? What? NPM notice. NPM new. Okay. Should I? Oh yeah, they had like a exploit, did they? Just... He's wipe coding bad. I'm gonna ask to ChatGPT. Yeah, that'll help. So yeah, this is like the BJJ app that I had. I want to have like a retro feeling. Now that I think about it, like a retro style. Bro, what? It's not a good package. It exists right there. What the fuck? Package JSON. Brother, what? What am I doing, brother? Continue with Google, brother. Wipe coding is so fun. Yes, login. Login, peasant. Why am I in cursor setting? Let me actually like, oh fuck, this app thing, fucking hell. Android, I need to like go back and build for the iOS too. Yeah, people, wipe coding is a new thing. What issues can I get? Realistically, I'm just doing it to learn anyway, so what's the issue? I don't see an issue. I don't see an issue doing wipe coding. Just I don't even know how to like make a button work in HTML. Isn't that crazy? Like, yeah, I know it. Like I can look it up and like do it, but it's like I don't know. You know, like document, like you know what I mean? But that is the issue with wipe coding. It's just the effort that it's needed. Bro, why does it take so long? Does it usually do this? Oh, it's a cute question. Fucking hell. Is wipe coding bad? Let's look at a video on wipe coding. Bro, it is fucking retarded. Don't do wipe coding. Do it yourself. Yo, this guy, bro. Fucking Rick Rubin talking about wipe coding.
this is the way. He recently stated that in just 12 months, virtually all code will be written by AI. And in today's video, we'll look at real-life examples of when vibe coding goes wrong, and check out some awesome tools and techniques to help you vibe properly. It is March 26th, 2025. The first thing you need to realize is that coding and programming are not the same. Coding is the skill of translating logic into instructions for a computer by writing code. An elite coder might be able to bang out 100 words per minute of perfect C code and game purely from memorized syntax, but large language models are making this skill obsolete. An 8-year-old printer can now write code faster than a skilled professional with 20 years of experience. But programming is a far broader skill that's hard to describe. It's both an art and a science that requires ingenuity, creativity, and good instincts gained through experience. The best programmers often spend more time removing code than writing code, and if you don't understand the code you're vibing out like a true programmer, you won't get very far. Like this poor guy on the internet vibe coded a SaaS product and even had paying customers, which is a huge achievement for an indie hacker. Upon learning about his success, the trolls of the internet came out and hacked it to pieces. Quote, random thing are happening, maxed out usage on API keys, people bypassing subscription, creating random shit on DB. This is taking me longer than usual to figure out. Ultimately, the app was taken down permanently, and the guy had to beg for his job back at Popeyes. Sadly, there are many such cases, but when done properly, vibe coding can't work. And I think it's only a matter of time before we see a billion-dollar business that runs entirely on vibes, which will likely be built with tools like B0 or Bolt, along with AI IDEs like Cursor, which will likely be built with tools like B0 or Bolt, along with AI IDEs like Cursor and Insert. But if you choose to vibe max your code with tools like these, I would highly recommend following these 3 rules. Rule number 1, choose a popular, simple tech stack. Because something like React, Express, Tailwind, Redis, and Dino should be ideal for web dev. The reality is that these LLMs are best at solving problems that people have already solved on places like GitHub, Stack Overflow, etc. And that means even though you hate React, trying to use that fancy JavaScript framework is going to kill your vibes. Actually, screw that. My preferred choice is Svelte, but I've actually been getting really good vibe coding results with Vue.js and Nuxt. So this rule is breakable. Rule number 2, though, is not breakable, and that is to get good at Git. When AI takes control of your code, that means it also has the power to delete your working code, and when that happens, it's almost impossible to prompt it back into existence. However, if you're disappointed to use version control, you would have stashed that good working code somewhere safe. In fact, you can use tools like Claude Code to vibe commit your code for you, or check out my full Git course if you want to learn by hand. But the most important rule is rule number 3. Ask not what your AI can do for you, but what can you do for your AI. You're not a coder anymore, you're a product manager. And if you want to be a good one, you need to break down complex requirements into small steps. They should be highly specific and also provide the proper context to solve the problem, like recent documentation and images for UI design. It might sound like a vibe killer, but you don't want your LLM to get creative. You want it to be as deterministic as possible. As a developer who's highly skilled in building failed side projects, I've never felt more powerful. That being said, I think relying on vibes only is still a bad idea. Like the Levels Flight Simulator had all kinds of issues, and it likely would have failed miserably if it weren't for the developer's many years of experience as a foundation. But now that you know how to vibe code like a true professional, you also need to know how to write like a true professional. And the best tool to get you there is Grammarly. Does like Grammarly automatically provides one-click suggestions.
Yeah, vibe coding is like done. I'm not gonna vibe code. I So I need to start labeling my close guard stuff, but I don't know the proper approach to take it. So I'm waiting to. What am I actually waiting for? What should I look? What are the topics? Okay. have to do it all by myself. Sampling.
We do simple random sampling, so there's no pattern or system for selecting responses.
Fucking stratification.
How can we understand an entire population without studying every individual? We can sample a smaller group to make sense of it and reflect upon the bigger picture. In data science, two common approaches are random sampling and stratified sampling. Let's explore how these methods work and why stratified sampling can often provide a clearer picture. Random sampling means selecting items purely by chance. Imagine a jar filled with red, green,
Somebody sent a super chat. Thoughts on vibe coding? I think vibe coding is really disruptive to any company or code base. I think in order to properly make use of AI, you need to already understand the content that you're trying to automate or AIify, if that's even a word. For example, like in order to properly use prompts, you need to understand what the prompt is going to return to you. But if you're just taking what the prompt returns and copying and pasting and not understanding why or what it's doing, then you're gonna have a really hard time. Somebody sent a super chat. Thoughts on vibe coding? I think vibe coding is really disruptive to any company or code base. I think in order to properly make use of AI, you need to already understand the content that you're trying to automate or AIify, if that's even a word. For example, like in order to properly use prompts, you need to understand what the prompt is going to return to you. But if you're just taking what the prompt returns and copying and pasting and not understanding why or what The following is a call with a CS graduate of a 4-year program who's looking to get into data analytics and claims to have worked extensively in the complex solution area. I just graduated
Let's just like look at a fucking 3 blue one video. I don't know.
and blue balls. If you close your eyes and take a handful, that's random sampling. Sometimes you will get a balance mix. Other times, the balanced mix. Other times, you might end up with mostly one color. That randomness can lead to uneven representation. If those balls represent groups of people, like patients from different age groups, and the random sample does not include enough individuals from one of these groups, the analysis could become biased or even misleading.
Stratification.
This is where stratified sampling becomes useful. Rather than selecting objects randomly from the entire population, we first divide the population into subgroups based on a common attribute. This process is called stratification, where the subgroups are called strata, and each individual group is referred to as a stratum.
So this will be my BJJ. How do I make sense of it?
Now, find the size of each subgroup in the population. Next, determine the sample size. Then,
Multiply it by the fraction of the total population that each subgroup represents to calculate
Stratification.
full sample size.
K-fold with stratification. What does it mean? K-fold. I've heard case precision. Man, shut up.
Where you should always evaluate your AI against different subgroups. So let's say we have a pneumonia detection algorithm that has 90% accuracy. Sounds pretty good, right? Now let's look into our test data set. So actually, in our test data set, we have 90 babies, and we have 10 elderly people. And now if we measure the accuracy for each of these groups, we got 95 accuracy for babies, but only 60% accuracy for seniors. And let's see what happens if we develop this algorithm in a clinic. So now if an elderly patient comes in and receives a pneumonia diagnosis for this, from this algorithm is only accurate for this patient 60% of time, even though the reported accuracy was 90% for the entire test data set. This problem is called hidden stratification. And here's how we can mitigate it. So first of all, we should identify different subgroups that can be present in our data set. These can be subgroups based on age, based on gender, based on
Social stratifications, brother. Sociology is not real, man. Come on. Sociology, academics, not real. Don't believe in it. I think all you guys are fucking nerds. That's what I believe.
A sample is part of a population, and researchers use samples to collect data and information about a variable or variables from the larger population. To obtain samples of
If a 60% free throw shooter takes 10 shots, what is the probability that it makes exactly 7 of them? To answer questions like that, we can use this formula for the binomial distribution. And this doesn't just apply to free throws. It applies whenever there's a repeating process where you could put the outcomes into two categories. That's where the bi in binomial comes from. And that kind of situation is pretty common considering it encompasses all yes or no questions. The formula looks a bit scary, but by the end of this video, we'll make sense of it. And hopefully it's pretty along the way. Okay, we're going to start with one blob. It's programmed to make it 60% of the time, so what's the probability that it would make 1 out of 1? This question feels a little bit silly. We don't need any fancy formulas to know that the answer is 60%, but it's a starting point to build on. Another silly starting question is, what's the probability it makes 0 of 1? It's the other 40% of the time. 60% is the same as 3 out of 5, so we can visualize the
I'm gonna go off screen. Ugh, my back hurts.
probabilities by looking at 5 blobs and having 3 of them make it and 2 of them miss. Okay, now what if the blobs take 2 shots each? It'll be helpful to have more blobs to look at here, so let's make this into a square of blobs and have the new blobs also take their first shot. Again, with 3 out of 5 of them making it. And then they can all take a second shot, which means we now have to ask about making 0, 1, or 2 of 2 shots. You might notice this isn't exactly random, but for the moment we're just focusing on making a clean diagram. 4 of the 25 blobs were unlucky enough to miss both the first and the second shot. From this, we can say that a 60% free throw shooter has a 16% probability of missing both shots. And this is the same number we would have gotten by multiplying the probabilities of the individual shot outcomes.
the probability of missing the first shot is 40%, then 40% of those 40% also miss the second shot, and 40% of 40% comes out to 16%. Next, for the blobs that made one shot, we have two groups.
Okay.
One group of 6 made the first.
I'm mentally checked out.
If you study engineering or physics, you've probably come across tensors. But what exactly are tensors, and why do tensors often look like matrices, even though matrices and tensors are not quite the same? That's exactly what we will discuss in this video. First, I'll give you 2 simple reasons why tensors are not just matrices. And at the end, we will look at an example that shows why we need tensors in the first place. First of all, you can think of tensors as the generalization of the concepts of scalars, vectors, and matrices. A scalar is just a number. We also call this a zero-order tensor or rank 0 tensor. A vector is an array that contains multiple numbers in a column, which we also call first-order tensor. And a matrix, which is an array of numbers with rows and columns, is called a second-order tensor. Now we can extend this idea to third-order tensors by adding another layer of numbers to the array. As we add more and more layers, this becomes more and more difficult to visualize. So one way to get around this is by using index notation. The components of the vector may be denoted by vi, where I is either 1 or 2 in this 2-dimensional example. The components of the matrix can be denoted by fij, where I and j are either 1 or 2.
Okay, let's.
Have you ever sat down to study a math book, looked at the theorems, lemmas, corollaries, and could not help but ask yourself, why is this particular result so important? It looks so random. What was the original motivation for the mathematicians who found this result? There is probably a good reason for its existence, but why isn't this reason obvious? The missing ingredient is simple: intuition. Intuition in mathematics is something like having a compass.
What the fuck? I think I'm gonna end the stream there. Did a whole lot of nothing, but it is what it is. Some days are just nothing days.